Gladiolus are one of my favorite summer blooming bulbs. Not only because they're gorgeous, because they're from my favorite part of the world, South Africa. So they're native to South Africa, and they're in the iris family. They bloom every summer and they love hot, hot sun. They prefer to be in groups because they're social like other plants. And the bulbs are actually a corm. And there's a side that's the down, and that usually has little roots on it or a little circle, whereas the tippy part is the top. So they look like a Hershey's Kiss candy. And so when I plant them, sometimes it's hard to tell which way is up. So when in doubt, I go sideways. Because they get kind of tall, they can get 3-4 feet tall, I found the key with gladiolus is to plant them a little bit deeper. If they're falling over, it's usually they're not planted deep enough or they're not getting enough sun. So plant them a good 4 or 5 inches deep even, just because they can get 3-4 feet tall. And then cover them up. And then I'd set this pot out in the hottest part of the garden and let them come up and bloom, or put them in the ground directly. But if they're in a pot, I make sure and never leave the pot out so it will freeze solid if we have a cold winter. And they don't want to be too wet either. So I throw the pots up against the garage or the side of the house, or just cover them with plastic, or even dig them right out of the pots and throw them in the garden. Because in the garden I've never lost them. As long as they're in a raised bed with good drainage, you can enjoy your gladiolus for years to come. In this next section, I'm going to talk about Gladiolus murielii, which was formerly called Acidanthera. So it's just recently been placed in the glad family.